Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you are into camping and survival, you are in the right place. We are a YouTube channel dedicated to reviewing the best gear available and helping you be prepared for any situation and to help you get even more prepared. Additional product details can be found at the links I've provided below. So without further ado, let's get started.
Hi, thank you for taking a look at the Kingfisher. Kingfisher is a 56-inch recurve bow that comes with a spool, line, an arrow, rest, finger savers. So this is a great, inexpensive way to get yourself into bow fishing, going out and being able to shoot a lot of different fish.
Jack here with Cajun Bowfishing, and I want to share with you today a brand new product for 2019. This is the Cajun Fish Stick Pro Kit. It comes with not only arrow and piranha point, but we've got the Spin Doctor reel and reel seat, the brush fire rest, and the Cajun Fish Stick. It's an awesome package to get out there and start bow fishing with, and for the traditional guys that want to use a traditional style bow, it's really awesome. You need to go to CajunBowfishing.com and check it out.
Watermark recurve takedown was made for life on the water. Sleek, stylish, and lightweight. The Watermark features an AMS designed magnesium riser with exclusive green koi accents and the AMS stamp of approval. Not only is the riser awesome looking, but it's also a tool because we're always thinking of you, the bow fishers. You see, we had these special holes, one on the bottom and one on the top. Now, a lot of times what happens is your tip will get so tight that you can't break it free with your fingers, so you're running around looking for a pliers to loosen it up. Well, not anymore, because now you can put that point in, and you can see right there, it loosens up your tips for your arrows also. A sleek, black, water-resistant seal over fully laminated limbs ensures long life in wet environments. Quick takedown. Simply remove the string, unscrew the thumb screws, pop up the limbs for easy storage. Now the Watermark has a 45-pound draw weight at a 28-inch draw. Tip to tip is 58 inches, and it comes in at a lightweight 2.5 pounds. This sleek, curvy recurve will truly hone your instinctive shooting skills. Now the Watermark can be purchased as a bearable only or in this awesome kit. Now the kit includes the Watermark recurve, the Speedy Retriever TNT with 35 yards of 350-pound spectral line, AMS tidal wave rest, one AMS fiberglass arrow with the Chaos point and patented AMS Everglide safety slide, and matching green string things. So change up your game next time you're ready to hit the water and set yourself up with the Watermark recurve and stick some fish.
I'm here with Cajun Archery, and we're here today to take a look at the Sucker Punch bow fishing bow. The Sucker Punch has been developed from the ground up with the extremes of bow fishing in mind. This bow is 32.25 inch axle to axle, has a 7.25 inch brace height, and has a peak weight of 50 pounds. The Sucker Punch includes two interchangeable draw modules, a constant draw module and a draw specific module with 60% let off, both providing draw length adjustments from 17 inches to 31 inches. The deep cam grooves on this bow are designed to prevent derailment while swatting through sedge or banging around the boat bottom, so it is always ready to go. The Sucker Punch is available as a bow only or in a ready to fish package. The RTF package features our fishing biscuit arrow rest, new Cajun hybrid bow fishing reel, Cajun blister buster finger pads, and two white fiberglass arrows with piranha points to provide the most complete and effective bow fishing kit on the market. From everyone at
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to hit the like button below. And if you want to see similar videos in the future, smash that subscribe and make sure to turn the notification bell on. For now, that's all I've got. And in all that you do, we want to help you beat yesterday.